Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make the realistic laser beam in iClone 8. Now you can see I already made 3 laser beam. Then I can just control the laser beam, and actually for each of the beam you can see it really look realistic. From different angle you still can see the beam. Let's say from here, and actually the source you can just hide it, just unseen it, and the beam will be still there even if you hide it. And you can attach this, what we call the spotlight, on any of the props or character. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to just set it up to make this effect, what we call the laser beam, the green laser beam. So everything will just start from beginning, and I'm going to just start a fresh new project. I just save this. Now I'm going to just create a plane. This is a fresh new project, and first I'm going to just create a plane, and next I'm going to just turn off all of the lights, like the key lights, etc. I don't want to see any lights at here. Then next, just create a spotlight. Once you already created a spotlight, next you need to do some modification. This is a spotlight, and here the multiplier, just make it maximum, for example maximum. Then just scroll down until you can see the angle. Just make the angle to become really a tiny spot in this way. Right, then next just change the color. Maybe for green laser I'm going to just make it green. Then scroll down until you can see the fall off. You can adjust something. The angle you already adjusted. Then just turn this on. The medium density multiplier, just maximize it in this way. Now you can see it already become just look like a laser pointer. And next is the absorption. You can control a little bit, and fall off power. The fall off you can adjust this to just make it more realistic at here. The angle, attenuation, depends on what type of the effect you want to see on the pointer. The angle is supposed just to be in this way. Alright, fall off power. Now everything look realistic, and actually here you may just want to do some adjustment at the top here. Range, intensity, fall off. Alright, that's cool, just in this way. Right, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a realistic laser beam just by using your iClone 8 3D animation software, and everything will just created inside the iClone 8 just by using the spotlight functions, and you can create a laser beam that look like this. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!